Good morning, you guys. I'm having matcha instead of coffee. Like, who am I? JK, I ran out of coffee. So I had to make this. You probably won't see me making this ever again. I don't have the time and patience for making this. It takes too much time. Another update on the mixer. I did end up buying it. Probably a good purchase because it doesn't look half as bad. So anyways, so I decided to like vlog today. I don't have anything crazy planned, but I do want to cook today, so I ordered a few things. Wait, let me show it to you guys. Yeah, so today is Sunday, so I decided to why not make something. So I ordered this sticky rice and this Korean stir-fried kit and also some kimchi. So that's that. I'm going to be making that today. Yeah, so that's what I have planned. I'm gonna have this now and see you in the afternoon. So we're starting to cook now. I did soak in the rice here, so it's gonna take a while, so we'll do this first and then we'll cook on. The star of the show is here. You're literally the most boring thing about this video.
Then why did you beg me to like shoot with you?
I didn't beg. The only person who was begging was her, but she wanted to eat this. So
please, yeah. I didn't want to come. You wanted me to be in your video. She's such a liar, but what's expected from her? It's fine.
So anyway, moving on. So the rice, we're gonna start with that, and then we have the stir fry that we're gonna work on.
You said that you're not wanted. Why did you say that first?
I didn't say you were not wanted. I never said that.
The clip.
I never said you were not wanted. I just said I never begged you. You were the one who was begging to eat this food.
No, you said you were the one begging.
Every time I would tell you that you won't get this,
you were like nobody told you to be here.
No, I never said that.
Stop those lines.
Stop twisting my.
Something along those lines.
Why are you starting to get on my nerves today?
Thinking that I'll just go and you can show your video yourself.
She's so annoying. Like, my sister is so annoying.
Oh, it was on?
Yeah.
It's so ugly for some reason.
It is ugly. Not some reason. It is ugly.
She's so annoying.
Meanwhile, we can chop the vegetables. I'm like really good with chopping, so I'll do the chopping work. What are you good at? Eating?
Yeah, wait.
Here, my nails are so crusty. I literally don't want to show to you guys, but I'll fix it in a few days. Honestly, there's like nothing interesting here.
The definition of an ungrateful bitch,
and like, you are the definition of a pick me. You're such a pick me. Like I did nothing. I existed, and she's so ungrateful.
I did everything, and then she's like, I did nothing. Like
I literally just exist.
Nothing. I just exist. Yeah, exactly. Also, like I feel like we are miserably failing at this challenge because
that would be like pushing it too far, but
we cannot even like cook rice properly basically, so we also kind of like burnt it a little.
It kind of looks like that.
Yeah,
it is
like
slightly
really
sticky in consistency, but it's not short grain by any means. Like, why would they call this Asian rice?
Can we just like make it fast and like hungry?
So this is the stir-fry kit and why did it take you so long to process? So that's what we have. It's like really icky to touch.
Oh, we are able to cut it.
Actually not bad.
Yeah.
This is okay. By the way, Ananta's trigger word is pick me, so she was like really upset for a few minutes. She literally wanted to physically assault me, which she did yesterday in the name of her period. She's literally like, she might seem like really calm and whatever, like cute and everything. She literally has anger issues.
I don't. You make me have anger.
Right on the rice. This is what it looks like. Actually, doesn't look half as bad. So we didn't really fail.
Okay, guys. So let's do a cute little outfit check minus my face because it's really bothering me. But anyways, I'm wearing this cute Zara top. How cute is this? And this jeans and my just home slippers. So we are waiting for the chicken to marinate for like 10-15 minutes, and until then we're just like having some chocolate.
So it's her birthday. Like in how many days? What's the date today?
So 10 days.
It's like 10 days. So there will be a vlog coming up for that. We're gonna like fix my crusty nails.
I'm thinking of getting like bangs.
Oh, me too.
But her is like curtain bangs and mine is like proper bangs. Last time I cut my own bangs in 2020, like during quarantine on my birthday, because I cut
She
her
was
hair.
going through something.
No, I cut your hair. She wanted me to cut her hair because like COVID just started and we couldn't go anywhere, and so yeah, she wanted me to cut her hair for her birthday. And
one
only
day
like
before her
I'm not a
anything.
hairdresser, so I don't know why she thought that it'd be perfect, and I cut by mistake like an inch or two.
Like I literally was crying in the washroom.
She was literally having a mental breakdown. I don't know, like over hair. So
I was looking ugly.
No, you weren't.
She made me look so ugly right
she
before her
wasn't.
birthday, and I couldn't say anything because it was her birthday next day.
No, she shouted so much.
I didn't. It was just once.
Once is all it takes.
Shut up.
I was just saying that I think I put a little bit more blush than I should have on my nose, and it looks like Rudolph's nose. See?
It actually doesn't look that bad. This is the kimchi. We'll just open it right now. I'll put it in a bowl.
Just don't put a lot of kimchi.
I'll just put another small. That's it. That's it?
Yeah.
I'm also like super proud of doing this. We actually managed to do this by ourselves. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. One person put it is first.
Oh, okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. First impressions.
It's really good.
Can I have it too now?
Yeah. The kimchi is really good. The chicken actually turned out to be really good. And the rice too. So I think it was a success. Can I have some?
I think the chicken is really good. Yeah. Not that we did anything because it was like a stuff packet. So still, I was not expecting it to even taste that. So the kimchi is good actually. But anyway, if you did like this video, just let us know and we'll make more of these, and we'll see you next time. Bye.